So hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Turf Zone, and today we'll be going in Truck Simulator Ultimate from Singapore to Woodlands. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Let me just take the start. Okay, let's see what the wiper is pretty. And boom.
Let's get started. Drive safe.
Okay guys, I've lowered the volume so that you can hear me. And hear me out. This is going to be a long drive, so I'm going to edit some of the parts. Well, at least our windshield's clear. What does this do? Oh. Wait, let me turn on the lights. I wonder if there's an auto drive button. Hopefully there is, because my hand might get tired. Maybe, oh wait, I found it. Maybe I'll activate it on the highway. Because right now I can barely see anything. Oh god, oh god, oh god. I literally just crashed. What do we do? Bruh. What are we supposed to do? I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Yeah, what am I supposed to do? Oh, great. Great. I got it. But, what? Now I'm off track. Oh, guys. All the time I'm off track. Remember the last video on Bus Simulator Indonesia? I got off track. And then I had to edit the video. Oh, we're on track now. Wait. Now maybe I'll press the auto drive button. Oh, this is so cool. I can set it to whatever speed I want. And it'll take me to that speed. Can I go any higher than 115? Okay, maybe VR going a bit too fast. Okay, Okay guys, well as I said, this is going to be a long route. So I will see you guys when we are near the destination. Oh no. Okay, so I'll see you guys near the destination as I said. Wait a minute. Oh no. Oh, we have to get on a boat? Okay, maybe I think the most time will be killed in that. I'm just gonna skip the boat ride for you guys. Like nothing ever happened. Ah. I'll just edit the boat part out. It'll be very boring. Guys, do comment if you want Roblox videos. Because I keep my comments on all the time and I want you guys to comment if you like Roblox. So I'll start doing Roblox videos. Getting off the ship. Going to our destination now. So once we get out of here, I'll say goodbye to you guys. And I'll see you straight when we need the destination. Oh no, that didn't just happen. That was the worst crash yet. Okay guys, so I will see you when. So okay guys, I'm back, and now we are officially 1 kilometer away from the port. So we are gonna be parking, and then this video will come to an end. So, oh no, there's a red light. Like, you get $250 cut if you skip it. I'm just gonna go through here. I cheated.
Turn left.
No, I just have to wait for that signal to turn green. It'll probably happen right about now. So now let's get to that terminal. Okay, it's saying we have to enter here.
Turn right.
And bada bing bada.